Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to restore the classic right-click menu in Windows 11, just like the one you had in older versions of Windows. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, right-click on your start icon and then click on Terminal Admin. When prompted, click Yes to give permission. Now, copy this command from the description section and then paste it in the terminal window. So you just copy the command and then paste in the terminal of the Windows PowerShell. After that, you click enter, and as you can see, the operation completed successfully. After you are done, right click on your taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Now you can search for Windows Explorer from the search tab and then right click on the Windows Explorer and click on Restart. After restarting your Windows Explorer, right-click anywhere on your desktop. You are now seeing the new right-click menu in Windows 11, which is the classic right-click menu, previously in the Windows 10 and then Windows 7. If you want to bring back the old one, I've provided a simple command you need to just copy and paste into the terminal. Once you paste it, hit enter. So you just go to the description section and then copy the second CMD command. Just copy and then open the Windows terminal again and then paste it in and click enter. As you can see, the operation completed successfully. Minimize the Windows Explorer and then right click anywhere on your desktop. Now you are back to the Windows 11 right click menu. That's all for this tutorial, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.